Think you need a supercar to beat everyone on the street? Think again. These cars are sneaky monsters. Number 1. Pontiac G8 GT. Looks like a boring sedan, but under the hood? 6.0 LV8, 361 horsepower, rear-wheel drive. Rare, fast, and no one expects it. Number 2. Saab 9-3 Aero. Sleek, subtle, 0 to 60 in 5.5 seconds. People laugh at the badge. Then it leaves everything else in the dust. Number 3. Oldsmobile Alero GT. Tiny V6 manual option. Looks like a grocery getter, but hits surprisingly hard. These are some sleepers. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. See you next video. Bye.